Introducing the new Chlorine Dioxide Diffuser from Detail King. This product takes the odor removing power of chlorine dioxide and enhances it by adding an improved delivery system. This helps cut the working time down to under 30 minutes compared to other odor treatments, which can range from 6 to 12 hours. The diffuser comes with chlorine dioxide tablets, a warning magnet to place on the vehicle during treatment, and a USB-C charging cable. The diffuser is very easy to use. First, you start by filling the cup with cold water to the designated line. Then you want to place a towel over the cup holders in the vehicle and insert the diffuser cup. Before you start the treatment, you want to start the vehicle and make sure the AC is turned on to air recirculation mode. Next, we are going to remove the chlorine dioxide tablet from the pouch and place it into our water cup. Once the tablet is in the water, we place the agitator back into the cup, screw on the lid, and turn on the diffuser. Once the treatment is started, you want to exit the vehicle, place the warning sign on the driver's side door, and let the diffuser run for 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the strength of the odors. Once the treatment is complete, remove the diffuser, rinse it out with cold water, and it is ready to be used again. Pick up your chlorine dioxide diffuser today at detailking.com.